Good morning, children. I'm going to start from the same place where I had stopped. In the previous video, we have learned about the adjective of quality. And the definition of adjective of quality is adjectives which tell us of what kind a person or thing is are called adjective of quality. See this one, definition of adjective of quality. So definition is adjective which tell us adjectives which tell us of, and this one is inverted, of what kind a person or thing. What kind a person or thing is, and then inverted comma close, are called adjective of quality. Are called adjective of quality. I hope that you all are clear with this. Adjectives which tells us of what kind a person or thing is, inverted comma close, are called adjective of quality. And in this video, we will learn about the adjective of quantity. So, there is some milk in the glass. There is little water in the bucket. They did not have any money. There is enough food for the guests. So, some milk, little water, any money, enough food. These are adjectives because these words are telling the quantity of the water, the quantity of the milk, quantity of money, and quantity of food. So these words are called adjectives. The adjective tells us how much of things there is. So there is some milk in the glass. So this some word is describing the quantity of the milk that is inside of the glass. Clear? There is little water in the bucket. So this little water word is describing the quantity of water that is inside of the bucket. What is the quantity of water? Little. They did not have any money. So this any word is describing the quantity of money. So this one is also adjective. Enough food. Enough word is describing the quantity of food. So these words are called adjectives, and these adjectives tell us how much of something there is. See some other examples that is in your book. The adjectives of quantity. The adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity. And there is some tea in the flask. There is some tea in the flask. This one is flask, and there is some tea in the flask. This one is tea in the flask. So some tea in the flask. There is much water in the bucket. There is much water in the bucket. There is enough food for the guests. They did not have any money. They have lost all their wealth. So, some, much, enough, any, and all. In the sentence, the words some, much, enough, any, and all tell us how much of a thing is means here is how much things are these. So this tells the quantity of the thing. Quantity of the things. So these words are called adjective or adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity. Much, some, enough, any, all these words. Little. All these words are express or describe the quantity of things. So here is the definition of adjectives of quantity is adjectives which tell us how much of a thing is mean are called adjectives of quantity. See this one in your book? Yes, also written. Adjectives which tell us, and in inverted comma, start how much of a thing is mean, inverted comma close, are called adjectives of quantity. Means how much thing there is. This tell that how much of things there is. So this is the definition of adjective of quantity. So write down this one in your copy. This is the definition of adjective of quality. And now you will write down the definition of adjective of quantity. Then after I will give other examples, and then all are clear with that one. First we see this definition, then after I will tell other examples also. Adjectives which tell us adjectives which tell us how much of. So this one is in inverted comma. How much of a thing is. Meant, and you have to come here close, are called adjective of what? Are called adjective of quantity. Clear? Adjectives which tell us how much of a thing is meant are called adjective of quantity. Write down this one in your copy. And once again, I will tell you, there is some milk in the class. Some other examples. There is some milk in the class. See these examples. I hope that you all have written this one. Yes. Enough water. Some tea in the flask. Okay. So see some other examples. There is some milk in the glass. Example. There is some milk in the glass. There is some milk, and this some word is describe the quantity of milk. How much the milk is. So this some word is describe the quantity of this milk. There is little water in the bucket. Other second example, there is little water or enough water. There is enough water in the bucket. There is enough water. Enough water in the bucket. And this enough word is describe the quantity of water. Clear? This enough word is describe the quantity of water. How much water is inside of the bucket. Clear? See other examples. They did not have any money. They did not have any money. This any word is describing word. This word is describe the quantity of money. How much money they did not have. How much money they have. Okay. So this any word is describe that they did not have any money. They did not have any money. So this word is describe the quantity of money. Clear? There is little enough food for the guest. There is little water in the pot. There is little tea in the flask. There is little tea. Little tea. There is little tea in the flask. There is some tea in the flask. Not little. There is some tea. One second. There is some tea. There is some tea. Some tea in the flask. So this some word is describe the quantity of tea. How much tea is inside of the flask? There is enough water in the bucket. So this enough word is describe the quantity of water. There is much water in the flask. There is much water in the flask. So see this example. There is much water. I hope that you all have read this one. There is much water in the flask. There is much water in the bucket. So this much water is describe the quantity of water. Next, they have lost all their wealth. They have lost all their wealth. So they have lost all their wealth. Lost. All word is describe the quantity of the wealth that they have lost. They have lost all their wealth. Not some, not little bit. They have lost all their wealth. So this all word is describe the quantity of wealth. And I hope that you all are clear with all these things. That what is the adjective of quantity. Revise this one at your home. Then you all are clear with all these things. Rest is in the next video. See you soon. Bye.